Today is Wednesday, June 16th, 2021. I'm currently in the pre-market trying to find something to trade. It's a very crazy day right now. There's not many things to look at. I see something that has a little bitty spike, it has some news. It popped up pretty quick earlier, then it pulled back on news. However, it's trading. It's over here. I'm looking at it. It's trading almost 5 million share float, 66 million share float. 66 million share float, but it's currently trading 5 million shares. So with any sort of volume pickup, it can spike on volatility on this move up, and it's currently oversold. Here is my current watch list for me to watch. However, I put it in the group and tell you what I may or may not think. This is my personal opinion. I'm not giving anyone financial advice. Just a guy on the internet to trade stocks. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just retail trader. So here's the watch list. There's my notes. So do not follow what I do. But if you do, understand that there's risk involved with this. But look at this stock right here. Yesterday it popped on some news. It pulled back this morning, right? Right about here, 4 a.m. Popped up again, then it sold off. But you notice here again, this light green line on mine is my EMA, and this dark green line here is my SMA, right? Simple moving average and exponential moving average. But notice it was way below the SMA the whole time on sell-off, right? It way oversold on the RSI, way oversold on the MACD. Then what it did was, once it found the bottom right here, let me get rid of these lines. I was drawing lines earlier. Let me draw a new line set. So the current bottom right now seems to be 227. I hopped in 238 at the first green to make a new high. The next stop should be approximately 261. Then the next stop should be approximately, I'm looking across here, 284, then higher day of 312. So, as you know by now, my new goal on my small account is $30 a day, right? So what I did was here is I went in and bought 300 shares. I think I had like $700 available, probably a little more than that. I forgot the amount. And my goal was to run it up 24 cents or so. But this is real possible to crack the high of day right out the gate. Again, all we need is a sharp volume pickup and that 5-minute counter to move 10% of the price of the stock, and it's going to halt on volatility. And I'm depending on that to happen because I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people who yesterday bought the stock and sold this morning, all right through here, and now they see it's going to make a move. You look at the news here on the right here, you'll see as well as I had news this morning. Anything to deal with the virus, you're going to see news. It's going to be news picking up on it, and it's going to run because of that virus word right there. Plus, there's an IPO partnership news, which is always going to be something great. So, all I'm waiting on is to bounce up. If you know by now, a stock will always retrace, right? It'll move in the wave. It'll pop below the EMA, SMA, above it, below it, above it, below it, so on and so forth. Now, it may move at an angle on the uptrend. It may move parallel, right? Or it may move on a downgrade. Now, at this point, it's moved down far enough from what it looks like. However, anything is possible. Again, I'm only looking for 20, 23, 24 cents. And you know I like to do math on my screen, so I'm going to go over here. I like to have exact numbers. So I want 24 cents, right? And I have 300 shares like I have right here. That'll get me my 72 bucks. Now remember, I only want $30 a day. That's my goal. So that's way above my goal. So my sell point is approximately 252, which is not that far off this line I already drew. So I'm looking at 261 to sell between these two areas right here. What I did was I bought it pre-market off screen because again, my account information I don't want to expose, so I bought it pre-market off screen at the limit EXT because it's pre-market, and I put in my sell order immediately at limit EXT at a higher number up. That way I can drag it with this checked. I can drag it up and down the axis legally. Meaning not legally. I can drag it up and down the axis with ease. So I'm going to hold this here for another. We got 1 minute 30 seconds left for the market open. I'm gonna hold it here for about another minute. If I see it's nowhere near my sell point, I'm going to exit out, keep that check. That matches my 300. And the market opens on that first spike up, which is going to blow through this line. It should, at least. I'm going to hop out of it. It looks like it was a fake out for reversal. It pulled back. A fake out reversal. It pulled back. Fake out reversal. It pulled back. Reverse. Fake out reversal. Hopefully not. Hopefully at this point, if you look here, the burgundy candles are 4 in a row. And they are, each of them are, all 4 of them are getting smaller and smaller. This is the 15-minute chart. Now, if you go to 5-minute chart, you will see it made a new high. I hopped in right here, and the candle faked me out, turned red. However, I'm already knowing it's way oversold. So from this point here, it looks like it may make a bull run upwards, which is what I need to do. So I'm looking to sell in between these points here. So I'm going to go in here is my target sell is 261 and higher. So, come on, y'all. So we're going to see what happens right here. We got 11 seconds. I'm going to exit out this. Exit out so I don't scare nobody from not buying or selling. And watch what happens. I'm going to hover over here below the sell market and look at the buyers. Let's watch the buyer sellers pile in here. APRE is rolling as well. I'm going to hop on that on my cell phone and watch this move right here, APRE. You know how I do. I come off my screen. I go over here. I'm in CATB. It's right there. See it? I'm in right there. See it? Watch it move. APRE. Has a 21 million share float. They go to spike. Let me go over here. They go to spike right there. I was looking for. One more spike and I'm going to hop out of it. Come on. Hold on volatility. Come on, buyers. Hold on volatility. Need my 30 bucks. I'm going to hop out of it. Let's go. Let me go back over here. That was a fake out. It's all good. TRCH is running as well. So I'm going to go into my large account right quick and hop on this APRE and TRCH. Now I usually don't trade stocks again, as I said earlier, with that large of a float. But I saw it was way oversold, an opportunity to make some money on it. So I got into it and made that trade. Now remember, you can trade several different ways. I don't trade the same way at all times. I find other ways to trade as well. But sometimes you'll find the way that works one day and don't work the next, or vice versa. So it's something new, as opposed to I normally trade. I'm about to hop in APRE and this pullback. Look up top here. It hit that 750. And TRCH also is running. So he's going to hold on volatility. All right, we go back over here on my screen. This spike up, I'm hop out of it. So I'm looking for it to hit this EMA. Need one big buyer to pile in. They lined up. They keep faking out. I'm in ARPE at 740. My sell point is 780-ish. We'll see what happens right here. I'm in TRCH at 625. My sell target is new high of day about 660. Look at the top right. Look at the top left. Go into the group. Come on, man. Come off. Good. God dang. Looking for. I'm trying to read and type same time. 780 on APRE. And 660 on TRCH. I see Ken is moving as well. Oh, look at that. Almost hit the 780. Ken, K-I-N. It's okay to try new strategies that you think that may work. If they fail, it's okay. You tried it, but it's already bottoming, as you can see here. I'm pretty confident that's the bottom, so all I need is a spike. I could have hopped out up here, but I didn't. That large seller is coming in right there, taking all the volume away. KIN, I don't like it. Let me get off KIN. AUVI. It's pulling back. What's news right there? It has a virus news. So I'm gonna go watch AUVI for support. Meanwhile, you see here, you need one big buyer to pile in here. Let me go level 2. The buyers are coming in. See the buyers? We at AUVI. Nope. Didn't hit 780, hit 770. Look 660 over here. What we got going on? Ford. Ford has a low float as well. Here go bull candle on Ford. Not Justin Ford. Hello. Bottom right is Ford. On my cell phone right quick, trying to see something. That bullet candle is running on Ford, as you see. For price is 360. $345. And you see the top right? I put 660 for my TRCH point, right? It's at 650 right now. There it is. It hit 669. So I'm gonna go over here and say TRCH hit its point. I didn't push enter, did I? 4. I said 4. Price I said 4 is gonna be 360. 360. All right. Right now we have CATB still acting crazy. Could have had a quick move here. My target was 30 bucks. I didn't sell. It should have been a green to green move. I'm not concerned. 660 is right here, my target. Let me draw a line on the bottom right. 7, I said 7 what? On APRE. I said what? 780? 780. 780 on ARPE is going to be right about here. I put 81 because look at the bottom right. I could trade any of these stocks, right? But I was trying something different this morning on this CATB. I said it was high flow. I said high risk, high reward. I put all that right here, right? I'm keeping an eye on the bottom left because I'm in it in my small account. I've already sold my TRCH and my Ford, approaching my point to sell. This candle here fails and turns red next candle, I'm gonna hop out of it. This candle has a minute left. Need to be a green to green move. We blow past 660. I'm sorry, 360. Volume picking up slowly but surely on CATB, the one I'm in my small account. Gonna watch for a few minutes more. I'm only down like $4, something like that. It's not a big deal right now. Look at the bottom right. Watch the bottom right. 357, 358, 359, and 360. Blew through it. Target reached. And I'm out as well at 360. Now here we're looking at the 780. Let me get rid of this line now. Target already reached. Now I'm gonna change it in a second. If it keeps failing, I'm gonna change my sell target to 780 on APRE and move it somewhere different. Here come my CATB. This is move here. If it's a green candle above this, this is my sell candle right here. Let's take level 2 away and watch what happens right here. If this makes this SMA support, that's my sell candle. Let's watch. It should touch my EMA. It's way off, way oversold. Let me watch it for a couple more seconds. I think buyers coming in. Let's go and watch. Right axis, you're going to see people lined up to the $3 mark area. They was bought in yesterday. I can get rid of my lines now. My target is already drawn in the group. And I also said it as well on the page. So, need this candle here to be light green and surpass previous one. There's a bounce right there, as you see. It should run up right here. Here come the buyers. This is the move I need right here. This must surpass this point here of 247. If it wasn't on the screen, I'll put limit order in, and I will drag it up and down the axis. But I'm on screen, so I'm not gonna do that. Here come the buyers. There they go. There we go. There we go. One more buyer. 30 bucks is rising. One more spike and I'm out. See it's banging my EMA? Need to pass that, make it support. This candle has 3 minutes left in it. Let's go. We almost there. Here come the spike. There go the spike. There we go. There we go. And it sold at $30. My goal was 30 bucks, right? There it is, $30.04. I took my spike up, hopped out of my 30 bucks, on to the next. Now, this is this morning showing you guys on how you can buy a stock that seems to be way oversold. I said to you earlier, it is watching the bounce. I don't like it. Come on, y'all. I don't like much of anything so far, but the way oversold after news. Trading close to 5 million shares at the moment, but has a high flow, high risk, high reward. With any sort of volume, this will halt on volatility. Now you notice the volume only changed 2 million shares. The volume never spiked, right? I didn't panic. I know what I got in at. I saw what it was doing here. There's a fake out right here. It faked me out. It pulled back. I held it, waited for the spike, hopped on the spike. I got out of it my 30 bucks. My goal $30. And I got in actually at $30.04. It was more than that, but with the fee, it brought it backwards. So this video has been right now about 30 minutes. I just want to show you guys real quick a different way to trade. Very dangerous, but for example, say this thing here would have picked up 20 million shares. It would have halted on volatility way up here somewhere. And now we're looking at here, rather than $30, it could have been somewhere around 400 or 500 bucks. Easily. But it happens sometimes, right? Let's go to my charts. Uncheck that. Go to APRE now. RSL is trash, right? Ken is trash, right? APLD is trash, right? RSL is trash. Ford. See Ford? It's failing. Oh, here you go. You know what? Look, my point reached. I didn't see that. It tapped 780. Look over here. Come on, y'all. God dang it. Looking for APRE at 6. There we go. 780 reached. So all four I put in here to look for have popped the support resistance points I put in here. Targets. AUVI. What is AUVI doing? It's 780, popped 780. Hit it and popped out of it. AUVI. Okay, I said look for support. I wasn't looking. Support is reached about 1087. Watch for a green and green move from AUVI. So I'm gonna go here and say watch for a green and green move. I'm gonna go on my cell phone right quick, and I'm going to myself watch for a green and green move on this AUVI. So logging in, APRE. I'm still in the APRE. Why didn't sell it? Oh, I put the order too high. Keep fat fingering stuff, man. Gosh dang it. I put 785 rather than 780 on my sell target. Can't be fat fingering stuff. I'm out now. AUVI. See that green and green move right there? So I'm gonna go over here on I'm sorry, typing. Watch this $12 wall. I'll see you quick. AUVI. Here we go. There's the green to green move. Now watch this $12 wall. Look at that. Green move I called it. The wall is 12 bucks. It's right here. I'm gonna draw a line. Which right at the daggone EMA. So I'm gonna go in here while I'm doing this, and I'm not in anything so far other than AUVI. I hopped in 1125. My sell target is actually 1170, 1180, but $12 is looking tasty. So let me go right quick to my watch list and add my watch list. DBGI 1150. There we go. 1152. CLVS BFLY PTO 1160. There we go. 1170. Almost there. My target 1170. The wall is $12 though. Remember? Let's look at my. Let me stop typing for a second. Look at my cell phone. Here come the buyers. Here come the buyers. Look at my screen. Here come the buyers. Come on in there, buyers. You know what you want. Do this in my daggone sleep. APTO, where we at? Where we at? VEON. BUR. My sell point is 1170, but hopefully get $8. So I'm gonna put trading stop in. Once the pass is 1170, I'm gonna put a trading stop in of 5 cents. Be looking right here at my number. 1170. I'm putting in my trading stop at 5 cents. Let's watch. BURRRD. Need this green candle right here. We need green candle right here. It's gotta be green. It gotta be green. My buying point 1125, so I'm way up. Trying to watch my screen, trying to type, look at my cell phone. I'm everywhere. The video will end at 10 o'clock. We have 10 minutes. PO, where we at, yo? Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? AI. All right, and that's enough of my watch list right there. I'm going to erase this right quick and put the daggone alert in at $12. Create an alert at or above $12. Let me go to my charts. Let's see. RKDA. What is RKDA got going on? Let me find a spot to put it at. I put it right there. No news. A buy rating of $7 on the first. Greeny green move. Watch this move on RKDA. I put it in the group before I even traded it. Top right, look at it. I don't always buy stuff first. I put it in the group a lot of time before I even think about buying it. Or I see something, right? So I'm in now at 317, top right. My sell target 335. Let's see what happens. You only need 10 to 15 cents, right? You know, 10 to 15 cents, you A1, right? If you have 1,000 shares, you get 10 to 15 cents. That's quick 110, 130 bucks, right? 150 bucks. You're gonna keep on creating new high days. Look at the history. Look at CATB, still messing around, right? And the EMA. It won't make it support. It blew through it. I got out of it, and now just bang on top of it. 5 day, 15 minute. The high was back here. It's already past that. Let's look at 20 day. It's past that. Look at 180 day. 690. The next target is 405, 416. And it's already past the other support points. Excuse me. $4 is indeed possible, but may be unlikely. But I was looking at this now, RKDA. We got 6 minutes left, and I'm gonna hop out of this video. I traded CATB, CATB, a way I usually don't trade, because I see something that looks kind of out of whack. I could trade something else, made more money, for sure. However, my goal was still reached. Regardless of what I traded, my goal was still reached. That's what's more important. Reach your goal. No matter how you trade, what kind of trading pattern you use, make sure your goals is reached. Now remember, it may not always give you what you're looking for. Take what the market gives you. If it gave me that point, that last move there, if they gave me 20 cents, I'm sorry, $20, I would have took it. I wanted 30, but I take what the market gives me. You know, I'm not going to be greedy. I say all the time, don't be greedy. I always say you one trade away, meaning one trade can make you a millionaire. You can make one trade make you a multi-millionaire. It's very possible. All you need is some parabolic action to go. This stock here easily could run up to daggone $400 a day. It's not impossible. With 1,000 shares, I like doing math, right? With 1,000 shares, maybe this. Yeah, 1,000 shares, right? It ran up to $400. I just put in the 400. Right? $400,000. Not a millionaire quite, but that's 1,000 shares. $3,000 to 400,000. CEI popping up. No, I hate cheap stocks, right? So I'm gonna go over here. You know I like Camera Energy. Our pet. Now this right here, I'm not gonna put it in a symbol. I want you to look it up. I like messed around, right? Keep you thinking. I knew the symbol immediately, knew the name. See right here? It don't tell you what it's called. It says a symbol. But I know I traded a lot, so I know it. Look at that. As I put it in there, look at that move. You see how it goes after my alert. Video ends in 3 minutes. I'm gonna alert it at 82 cents and see what happens. I'm sure it's gonna hit it. I didn't buy it. I don't like to buy stocks that cheap. So I'm gonna put in 82 cents. Looks like 3 cents, right? But you can buy way more shares of a stock this small than you could have when it cost you, let's say, $3. You can buy 3 times the amount, 4 times the amount. So put alert 82 cents. Hold on, watch this candle right here. See what it does. RKDA still consolidating. EXFO trash. AUVI Still waiting. CATB, look at that. Cross my daggone point. If I'd held a little while longer, right? There go the point right there. I said 250-ish with my lines I had drew earlier. Yeah, I could have held it, but I don't like it. For one, I like to float, and it's taking way too long to do something. So I'm still green regardless, but I could have held it a little while longer. Who knows? It may have ran back. It may keep running today. You know what? I'm gonna do is trade in my large account actually for a quick, let's say 15 cents. So high risk, high reward. I said at the very beginning of the day. I'm gonna buy it at 240, about 248 if it pops that low again, and sell at 265 in my large account. This candle has 30 seconds left over with it. Let's see what happens next candle. If it's green, we pass from a 265 point. We'll watch it right quick. Video ends in 1 minute, so no matter what happens in this candle, I'm in the video. Right here, we got 4 seconds. Gotta be green. Yep, there it is. Pop this point. 265 is right there. Let's watch. Here come the buyers. Look, level 2. See the buyers piling in? The fake sellers? Watch it disappear. There you go. High risk, high reward, right? I'm out 261. Ooh, that was dangerous. All right. I'm gonna call it a day. With that being said, I called it earlier. I just held it. Not long enough for that bigger move, but it's all good. My goal reached $30. That's the goal in a small account. Would love more, but minimum $30. With that being said, one trade away, and you guys stay green.